When the morning breaks and the light comes flooding down on all our lives, and the air is singing. Who sings the stars down from the darkness? Who cracks open the dawn? Us, cried the blackbird and the thrush. Us, cried the red-breast robins. Us, cry a band of wrens singing in the fresh green branches. All joy in the dawn chorus. No words can describe the music of the tribes of the air. Who sings away the hag of winter? Who sings the sun up into the morning? Who cracks open the dawn? Us, cried the blackbird and the thrush. Us, cried the red-breast robins. Us, cry a band of wrens singing in the fresh green branches. All joy in the dawn chorus. All the best musicians were singers. All the best singers were birds. Who sings the sun up into the morning? Who sings away the hag of winter? Hearts held high. Who cracks open the dawn? Us, cried the blackbird and the thrush. Us, cried the red-breast robins. Us, cry a band of wrens sing in the fresh green branches. All joy in the dawn chorus. All joy in the dawn chorus. All joy in the dawn chorus. Bathed in glory, the linnet sings with all its heart and holds nothing back. The turtle dove sings for free. The blackbird sings best from her nest in the blackthorn tree. Without them, there is no music. The chaffinch, the chiffchaff, the goldfinch, the greenfinch, they sing for all their worth. And the wren, the king of all birds, enchanted cascades of brilliant, liquid melody pour from the bullfinch, the crossbill, the hawfinch, the linnet, the rosefinch, the wood warbler and the willow warbler, the blackcap, the dunnock, the garland warbler, redstart, redwing, bluethroat, fieldfare and the nightingale, pouring her liquid notes out over the river in the morning. Stonechat, windchat, house sparrow, tree sparrow, hedge sparrow, the skylark, the woodlark, the mountain lark that sings away the dark. For sheer joy they sing the dawn. Without them, there is no music.